Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? I've just been thinking about you, and I know you guys are doing fine. I wanted to mention that feel free to share any questions, and if you're just joining us and you're a new Ego member, well, where to start is go to the pinned post, and they are links of different subjects that you can start learning. Hi, Christina. Well, just saying hi to everyone in the Eagles group. Anyway, I just wanted to mention, just if you're new, go to the Eagles, to the pinned post, and start learning from there. But share your questions. That's the best way for us to help you. And also, the learning is at your own pace. So, take your time. There is no rush for anything, and study whatever topic is relevant to you. Well, and these books I'm highlighting here, these are some of my favorites. 7 Habits of Highly Effective People and The Millionaire Next Door. So if you're looking for a good read, these should be good ones. Oh my God, The Millionaire Next Door was so good for me, because it broke all the paradigm that I had about how millionaires should be and behave. Oh my, this was eye-opening. And Habits of Highly Effective People. This one is so good in terms of realizing that success is predictable. So there are certain things that we should know and should implement in our lives to make it easier. Well, as always, this is Mother Ego. Leave any questions and comments, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Bye, Christina.